Colors has been at the forefront of doing clutter breaking, differentiated, experimenting with shows. I intend to keep that tradition alive, and we believe that we will be, I mean, forget that. In 2 days after now that we've done doing this show, yesterday or today there's Smith, what's her name? Shilpa Shetty and her husband doing martial arts or something, mixed martial arts and things like that. So the interest is already generating, and I know that some of our, people in the industry have also said, oh shit, why didn't we think of this idea first? I know that. I know because I've got a lot of friends in the industry. So I believe that we will be the people who will build the momentum. It will take time. You don't expect magic to happen overnight. But if we are consistent and we start building a fan following that will grow day by day over a period of time, like I said, if you create a few icons, if you create a fan following for a particular team, I think it will grow. In the sense, the mind shift is already there. If you see, similar shows exist on television and sports channels even today, similar shows, okay? But they are shot in foreign country. It's like showing foreign program in India. It's like, let's take Fear Factor, showing Fear Factor internationally in India and doing Khatron Ka Khiladi in India, right? There's a difference. When you do something in India, it carries a different traction. But even those shows which are there on sports channels, on their channel, apart from cricket, they are the highest rated show. So there is an audience, but it doesn't get the numbers because the platform is small. 100%, the show is for India by, I can't say by Indians because we don't have that many Indian wrestlers, but they will see. It's a few years ago, until you had talent shows, you didn't know you had so many singers in India. You never knew you had so many dancers in India, right? But I think now with this show going out, you will suddenly be, Endemol has told me they've already got requests from people saying, how can we participate in the show? So maybe this season we had to, scout and be selective. Maybe next time there's an opportunity for us to scale it up and say, you want to participate, come, and we will audition you, and if you feel you're fit, we may take you on board. So it's a question of building the show, and it will take time. And 26 weeks this season, I think, is a reasonably good time for us to build the show, experiment with the concept, and we think it's a winner. The way we targeted the show, the way we positioned the show, we are looking at an age group of 16 to 35. That's the core TG, men. Having said that, a show like this automatically attracts children. Okay? And that's a byproduct of it. And again, our research has shown, you'll be surprised. I mean, I was seeing some of the girls in media hooting. Okay? It has got a lot of women audience. You'll be surprised, young women audience. And I think some of these boys are good looking, so there may also be some eye candies for young women. I mean, wow, he's so cute looking. And one of our promos says that. But he says that, Pinky ki baat chala hai. This time, of course, it was a scout and a talent hunt, which was done in a without publicly going about it. We went and spoke to people and things like that. And then they were chosen. And there's been a little bit of training also that's gone because they've never done something like this before. But like I said, once it becomes popular, there's no reason why we can't have a wrestler hunt. If you can have a singing talent hunt, you can have a dancing talent hunt, and India's Got Talent. I see no reason why we can't do that as well. But I think it'll take time to, you need certain quality of fitness, you need certain quality of personality, strength, power, all this kind of thing. There's no experimenting. I mean, again, Colors has always done things differently. We believe that this show provides a lot of integration opportunities for brands, and that's something that you will see when the show goes on air. This time no, because of the logistics of it, and we are also doing it for the first time, so you don't want to get over ambitious. You want to do it right. You want to first make sure that you have a good world-class quality program on air, get in the viewers, and maybe next season when we do, then we'll look at how to involve the audience as well. But one of the things, like I said, we will definitely look at some point to take this show outside of the studio and into the street, into the markets. I'm not sure. I don't want to commit on something that I don't know. It involves a lot of money. It's a question of the wrestlers having time. We need to find out their schedule. We had to book them 9 months in advance for this schedule. So you can, it's a lot of coordination that takes place. Even creating a simple set there's a cost of about 70-80 lakhs. Just an ordinary set with no this kind of thing. So this kind of set, you can imagine what the cost would be. So, and then again, how do you do it? Do you do free entry? Do you do ticketing? We want to get the show first right, and then but that's something that's definitely on top of our mind, that we want to do it at some point. We've used Akshay Kumar on Khatre Ka Khiladi, and probably we'll continue to use him. We use Salman Khan, and we continue to use him. And for a show like this, to be fair to you, we did consider film stars as well. And Akshay would have been a great fit. Salman would have been a great fit. I mean, there are many people, I think, in the Indian film industry who would have been a great fit. But because it's sport and entertainment, we felt that a sport personality would have a better connect with the audience. And when we started narrowing down, we narrowed down to 2-3 names we researched, and we found that Harbhajan had probably the best connect for this kind of a show. If you see, none of our promos have any children in it. We are not targeting the children. We are targeting 16 to 35 men. We believe the children will come automatically. Also keep in mind, India is a single TV household to a large extent. More than 92% of our television sets households are single TV household. So by default, we believe that the others will come there, provided we get our target audience right, and if we are able to create that. Again, like I said, it's not just a wrestling show. Okay, it's also a lot of humor. There's a lot of comedy. There's a lot of emotion, backroom drama, and things like that. And the story will evolve. We have been we were number one.
Nice.
The truth. No, it's not been a decline. I would like to correct that. In fact, one of my colleagues also asked me the same question today. We have been a consistent number 2 till KBC came. Consistent number 2 till KBC came, with a gap of actually 20 GRPs with Star Plus. Okay. We moved to, and in prime time, we've consistently been number 1. Just now we've slipped, but others in prime time on weekdays, we've been number 1. Again, if you take last week of December, first week of Jan, we bounced back to number 2. Right now it's a yo-yo between Sony and us. And this is a thing of what we launch, timing and everything. Hopefully next week and week after, inshallah, with the Rinka King will again bounce back. Okay.